Hello and welcome to CloudVersations. My name is Subram Natarajan. I lead the customer engineering function for Google Cloud in India. Today in our CloudVersations segment, I'm thrilled to have Wipro's Chief Information Officer, Anup Purohit. Anup, it's great to have you with us on the show. Thanks for coming in and a warm welcome.
Thanks, Subram, for having me over here. It's a pleasure.
In a large organization like Wipro, how do you drive the technology and lead transformation hand in hand in concert with the consistent growth that you are producing?
Wipro has evolved over a period of time. It's I would say, in last 4 decades, things have kind of changed drastically, and we have reached where we are at this point in time. Now, it's a time of version 2.0, where we need to kind of reassess what we have done and see if that is good enough for us to go to the next level, what we are looking out for. The first of the priority was to bring technology under one umbrella, and that we've been able to kind of successfully achieve. In parallel, the need was to understand business, to see how we can make business more agile, how we can make business more quicker to respond to the market, how can we make our customers get a stable services from Wipro ODCs. So that was the area in terms of sustenance of the business, where we already have captured market, growing the business by quickly responding to the business and ensuring that we are able to kind of deliver to the commitment what we make to our customers, work on those in partnership with business.
What role did SAP and Google Cloud have in addressing the business priorities that you were going for?
So to answer your question, SAP and Google Cloud are playing a major role in aligning the complete priorities for our business transformation. Both SAP and Google Cloud, as mentioned, are integral part of the backbone which Wipro uses to service internal colleagues and external customers. SAP is the core ERP. SAP for HANA is a core ERP for Wipro. It's a backbone. It's a system of record for anything and everything what we do over here. We have 5 key business domains, and which is where SAP plays a big role, starting with the customer life cycle, which is completely in terms of bidding, opportunity, bidding, and then finalizing the order and closing the order part of it. Then comes the project life cycle, which is ensuring that the order is fulfilled by allocating resources, by allocating rate masters, by allocating cost masters, and ensuring the invoicing is done and the entire revenue recognition happen completely. That's the second domain. Third domain is the entire talent supply chain. How do we ensure that we use SAP marketplace to marry the business requirement with the job with the resumes what we have, and then fulfill those things. Fourth one being the hire to retire. So entire life cycle of an employee, because those are our system of record, those are our core product what we use to service our customers. The entire life cycle, pre-onboarding to post-offboarding, we do completely on SAP. Last but not the least, the entire financial management, the balance sheet management, the sourcing part of it happens on SAP. So that's how SAP forms the backbone for entire Wipro. Google, phenomenal partner. So we chose Google Cloud to host our complete SAP platform. Historically, we were on-prem, but when we took a decision that we want to kind of transform and go onto the cloud, because that's the way to go, we actually moved the complete SAP implementation installation on GCP Cloud.
To add to what you said, Anup, our teams have enjoyed being part of Wipro's digital transformation journey. And in your own words, can you please tell us about the business benefit that Wipro has been able to drive with the adoption of SAP on Google Cloud?
Wipro embarked with our Wipro Full Stride Cloud Services team on S/4HANA transformation journey that needed a future-ready platform like Google Cloud. The organization's rapid growth in business needed a scalable and a flexible platform that addresses the constant demand with our employees and vendor working across the globe. Google Cloud and SAP provided a secured environment that met all the compliance requirements. With more than 20,000 plus client project, with more than, I would say, million or employee record for the alumni. What we have, it is critical to have the highest level of system availability and robust kind of a disaster recovery mechanism with Google Cloud made available for both high availability and disaster recovery in a strategic location. Google Cloud provided the scalability and agility which is required to address the business needs of Wipro. I'm proud to say that after moving SAP onto the Google, I would say 99.9% of my data centers technologies have moved onto the cloud.
Thank you so much for your time talking to us. We wish you all the best and continued success as you continue the journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Subram, for having me over here.